7,500 companies and picking 10 to 12 stocks among this huge number is quite challenging as it requires a proper fundamental and technical analysis. Relying on some investment tips or news merely creates an havoc in portfolio. 90% of investors make this mistake of ignoring the most powerful asset class. Beating inflation and giving a compounded growth over decades, equity gives an opportunity to invest into diversified asset class. However, we cannot forget how volatile an equity market can be from its 2008 market crisis and its 2020 COVID dip. Despite these swings, it has turned out to be the top choice for wealth creation. The CAGR of 14 to 60% over 25 years, equity has outperformed rest all other asset classes. So here is one interesting investment option you need to know for equity investment, and that is mutual fund. With investment into just one fund, you get an opportunity to invest into the equity of 50 to 100 companies. With the expertise and knowledge of the professionals like fund manager and the research analyst team, your funds get invested into various companies of different sectors, which helps you to get comparatively more returns, and that too compounded returns. To know more about power of compounding, you can check out the dedicated video made on it previously. So with the help of a mutual fund advisor, you can select an appropriate fund considering your risk appetite, your investing time horizon, and undoubtedly your investing capacity. For more details, you can contact me, and do not forget to share it with someone who needs to hear this out.